Alright, the iTel S25 Ultra is one of those coolest smartphones in the market right now that would actually offer you a curved bright AMOLED display, a decent processor, a nice camera configuration, and also a pretty sturdy design and build quality without breaking the bank. I mean, with the price tag of 260,400 naira or $150, this device probably has a lot to offer. And yeah, you'll be interested to know what the device has to offer, right? So for you to know more details about the device and without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. Hey, what's up guys, it's Chipset here. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick review on the new iTel device, which is the iTel S25 Ultra. Yeah, so if it's the first time checking us out, you're welcome. It's going to be much appreciated if you try to show some support by hitting the subscribe button and also turning that notification bell on as we are getting closer to 3,000 subscribers before the year runs out. So it's going to be possible with your support. Yeah, so starting with the unboxing experience of this device, the iTel S25 Ultra comes with all the essential accessories that you need, including a screen protector, a charger, and a USB-C cable in the box. Now, opening up the device, at first glance, you will notice the curved AMOLED display that iTel called the 3D curved AMOLED display. On the rear, you will notice that it comes with triple camera sensors and 2 LED flashlights. So one of it is a ring light that actually functions as an indicator for notifications and other stuff like that. While the other one is just the regular LED flashlight we do have on every device. So when it comes to the design and the build quality of this device, I would say I'm really impressed. Although the design of the device looks familiar, doesn't it? Like, I've seen a lot of creators holding the device alongside the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Like, the camera setup for the device kind of looks similar. I almost say it kind of looks similar, it looks similar. But regardless, the iTel S25 Ultra design and build quality is really nice, to be honest. In my previous video, I was hyping the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus in terms of the design and build quality, but iTel did a great job on this device. Like, the iTel S25 Ultra weighs around 163 grams and its thickness is around 6.9 mm. This is really slim and sleek, and the curved display on this device makes it feel more premium. The iTel S25 Ultra comes with 3 color variants, and my favorite one among them is the titanium color variant, which is pretty cool. Now, the curved display of this device is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. To be honest, I don't really know how tough the Corning Gorilla Glass 7i is compared to the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus or the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 screen protector. But iTel actually promises us that the Corning Gorilla Glass 7i screen protector on this device is really tough to protect the curved display of the device from not breaking or like unnecessary fall or stuff like that. So yeah, the design and build quality of the iTel S25 Ultra is really amazing. Now, in terms of display, the iTel S25 Ultra comes with a very nice display, and iTel actually calls it the super bright AMOLED display. Yeah, so this device sports a 6.78-inch 3D curved AMOLED display, a high refresh rate of 120 Hz with a resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels and a peak brightness of 1400 nits. Now, the display of the device is really cool and nice for media absorption, and you're likely to expect crispy, sharp, and vibrant image on screen while viewing content on this device. And yeah, it is super bright. Comparing the files with other devices, I think this is the brightest AMOLED display I have ever seen on a budget smartphone, to be honest. If there is any, let me know in the comment section. iTel also gave us an IP rating for dust and water resistant on this device, which is the IP64. Now, the two interesting features on the display of the iTel S25 Ultra is the anti-wet feature or the wet hand feature, and also the always on display feature. The anti-wet hand feature actually helps you to operate the device even if the phone gets wet. On the other hand, the always on display feature on this device is really impressive. I mean, if iTel didn't give us the always on display feature on this device, what device would they actually put it in? Running the iTel S25 Ultra is the Unisoc T620 processor, which is a 12nm built-on process. Now, this is kind of better than the Unisoc T606 or the Unisoc T615 processor that we had in the iTel P65. To be honest, I'm not a fan of the Unisoc processor, but this device can pretty much handle your day-to-day activities. So I wish the device powers like the MediaTek Helio or the MediaTek Dimensity. It could have been kind of better, right? So, but what I would say is that the overall performance of the device is pretty much on average. And pretty good as well. The iTel S25 Ultra comes with triple camera sensors, but the main camera is 50 megapixel, while on the front it had a 32 megapixel punch-hole selfie camera for selfie shots. Now the cameras of the device is really nice and good for taking clear photos. And what makes the cameras of the device really interesting is that you can actually record videos up to 2K resolution at 30 FPS. The iTel S25 Ultra also comes with an IR blaster, which is ideal for controlling your home appliances and other stuff like that. Now you have 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, and also this device comes with an SD card slot for further memory expansion. Furthermore, the iTel S25 Ultra houses a decent battery capacity of 5000 mAh that supports 18 watts fast charge. This can last you a whole day on a single charge, and also it can carry your day-to-day activities without having any issue at all. Now the interesting feature on the charging aspect is that it has a bypass charging feature. This can pretty be useful when you're gaming or using the device while charging it. So yeah, it is a pretty nice feature on this device. The iTel S25 Ultra runs on Android 14 based on iTel OS 14.5, and you might see that a Bluetooth or pre-installed apps on this device, but the interesting part is you can pretty much uninstall them. Now what really excites me the most on this device is the 2 years major OS update, and I think this is the first time iTel was giving us an update on their device. So the thing is that when Android 15 and Android 16 comes out, you can literally update to that. So yeah, iTel thumbs up on this one. So in conclusion, I would say the iTel S25 Ultra is really impressive and iTel did a great job on this device. I would literally recommend this smartphone to anybody who wants to get a premium smartphone but they don't really have the budget for it. I mean, the iTel S25 Ultra is that smartphone that you really need. So yeah, here comes the end of my review video for the iTel S25 Ultra. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section on what you think about this device. Please do not forget to subscribe, and also turn on that notification bell to always get notified whenever we drop any video on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.